Welcome back, guys, to my cooking show. Today we're making brownies, more specifically my secret brownie recipe, which is actually just the recipe on the back of a Fry's Cocoa container. I've always made my brownies this way. They've always been fantastic as far as I can say, and super consistent, great fudgy brownie. Looking forward to showing you guys. Thanks for watching. Alrighty guys, time to make some brownies. We're going to start with 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to whisk it all up just to get it nice and mixed up. And then we're going to have to clean this bowl because YouTube won't pay us for having 30 subscribers. Alright, next we're putting in 1 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of Fry's Cocoa. Now we want to mix this for a while, maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes. You want to get it really well and mixed up. You don't want any loose dry cocoa hanging around. It just wouldn't be nice. Alright, following this we're going to put 2 cups of white granulated sugar. We're going to have 4 whole eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's it. Now we're going to mix this again another 4 to 5 minutes. We want to get this nice and creamy before we add the flour. So now we're adding the flour mixture, and we're going to mix this only as long as we need to. Just until it's all mixed up, because if we mix up the flour too much, it'll actually end up being a little chalky, which we want to avoid. Alright guys, now we're going to prep our pan with parchment paper, and we're going to spray it down with some grease, and then we're going to get the batter in there. Now, keep in mind that this batter is very thick. Exactly. So it's going to need some help. We're going to have to push it into the corners, And then it goes into the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. It should come out looking something like this. And just like that, we got it onto a baking sheet doing some flipping that you don't need to watch. And now, because they're brownies, they're going to be wonderful warm. So here we go. Cutting it up, we can see that it's still very fudgy. And, just a little liquidy, but just enough for it to be good. And we're going to give this a try. Wonderful. I could eat 4 of these. In fact, that's exactly what I did right after I finished filming. Here it is, guys. Thanks for watching. You should try this for yourself. What's up, guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any ideas for stuff I should bake, let me know in the comments, and maybe I'll just use your idea. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.